Inside these canisters are frozen stem cells with the power to prolong life. George Schwartz says he's living proof.
So far, I'm in total remission, and I'm looking forward to a few more good years.
3 years ago, the art restorer was diagnosed with multiple myeloma, a rare blood cancer. The only hope was high doses of chemotherapy to kill the bad cells. But chemo kills the healthy ones too, meaning a painful bone marrow transplant.
We literally had to do surgeries obtaining the stem cells that regrow blood cells after chemotherapy from the bone marrow.
Doctors can now push the stem cells from the bone marrow and into the blood, where they're easy to collect without an operation.
I sat in a bed at the hospital in a clinic, and they had essentially drew blood.
The blood containing the stem cells is stored, frozen in a lab, until the patient is admitted into the hospital for chemo.
A day or two later, the stem cells that were previously collected are infused into the vein, just like a blood transfusion.
Studies show that multiple myeloma patients who undergo both chemo and a stem cell transplant survive longer and without symptoms.
My youngest daughter got married, and I was able to dance with her at her wedding. And now I'm looking forward to her having a baby.
Schwartz is hoping to watch his grandchild grow up. I'm Marty Salt reporting.